We're learning new details this morning about the COVID-19 infection rates among people who have been immunized. British Columbia has released new data, among the first of its kind in Canada, which shows some encouraging signs about how much protection vaccines actually provide. Natalie Collada joins us now. Natalie, we hope that this is what the numbers would show, and they seem to do just that. Walk us through it.
That's right, and it does seem to indicate just how effective these vaccines are in protecting individuals. That being said, this is preliminary data, and it is one province. This is coming from information in British Columbia that has been gathered since December, and what it shows is that of the new cases that are reported and have been reported in that province since December, 98% of them were either individuals who were not vaccinated or partially vaccinated. So if we break down those vaccinated numbers of those individuals who still got COVID-19, here's how it kind of breaks down. So of the people who received one shot, they make up about 2% of the total number of cases in British Columbia. Those individuals who got both doses of the vaccine, the percentage is very small, about 0.2% then got COVID-19. So as you can imagine, the Public Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry seems to indicate this is a positive thing and suggesting that vaccines work. Have a listen.
Immunizations are going up and community transmission is trending down. And those are the things that we need to continue. What we are doing in BC is working. As more and more of our loved ones in our communities and our families are being protected, and we're taking those measures to reduce the transmission. So let's keep that curve bending down.
Now, Henry also continues to add it's very important to remember that immunity develops over time. So once you get the shot, you're not protected right away. In fact, the full impact of the immunity, its full weight really isn't put into effect into about 21 days after getting the shot. That being said, even if you get the shot, there is still a very small percentage of individuals who get very sick. Some still, John, who do die.
Okay, those are the figures around the contracting and the passing along, but let's talk about the effectiveness of the vaccine and what the data say about it preventing serious illness or death.
Well, this is kind of interesting. Of the cases in British Columbia, those individuals who contracted COVID-19 after being vaccinated, 141 of those individuals ended up in hospital. Of those, 13 required intensive care, so they were in the ICU, if you will. And of those individuals, 30 people did die who did have the full did have vaccinations. Important to note, though, that 26 of those 30 individuals had simply one shot, 4 had both shots, and the average age of those individuals were rather in the elderly category. It was about 87 years old. John?
Thanks for this, Natalie.
You're welcome.